Alright guys, now 20 left, so eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe. That one it is. Alright guys, so let's see what we got here. Jason and Vogue, yes, cherry red tie, if that's the shade of color it is. I mean, if that's the shade of red. Come on, focus please. Anyways, it says Jason and Vogue since 1987. Alright, and has the specs right there. So let's cut this out. Okay, don't need that. There's the other stuff in there, which I'll show you guys right now. Anyways, the tie is 59 inches in length, which is an inch shy of 5 feet. Alright, there it is. It's 100% silk. Alright. I'm not sure if it says on it, but I'll find out right now. Guess not. And the other thing it came with is this right here. I think it's called the hanky, if I'm not mistaken. Can't recall at this particular moment, but yeah. So these two things on it that come with it too. Alright. So there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Subscribe if you already haven't so you don't miss any of that right there. Okay, and I'll gladly get to you guys soon. Take care.